Hi Leos, this is Chava with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this love oracle deck that I have. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Nine of Swords. You see this person, she seems to be very distraught. Perhaps responsibilities had weighed down on your shoulders. I think you had to step up and take charge. Maybe colleagues were absent. Maybe it wasn't exactly smooth sailing, but I think some respite was at hand. Maybe you were somebody who was quite driven. You had made good progress at this time. Incidentally, Leos, I'm also picking up that maybe some people were backbiting or trying to malign your name. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that May is going to present for Leos is the Ten of Cups. You see, you want contentment in this month, but then it's in the challenge position. So you need to work that much harder. Perhaps this is a month when you could be accused of being self-centered or being concerned about your own ends. I think there'll also be sudden developments on the cards. Maybe you're also somebody who needs to be very flexible. Sometimes, Leos, you may also feel that your views are disregarded within the family. Maybe there are also some people who are trying to underestimate your talents. I think you need to be very productive. You need to promote yourself. You should be ready for sudden developments as well. Influences for this month, we have the Star card. I think you need to learn the lessons. You cannot fight destiny. Perhaps, there'll be spur of the moment decisions. Leos, you should also tone down your expectations a bit because, we have high hopes from ourselves, but sometimes they could all tumble down. Maybe you should also be ready because there could be technical challenges or your schedules could also be disrupted. Perhaps there's someone who is deliberately trying to hinder your plans. Ideally, I think Leos, this month you should control the situation rather than allow it to go out of hand. The first 10 days of May, we have the Two of Swords. I think this card is talking about you being in a limbo. You don't know how to proceed. Maybe there are choices ahead of you and you're having that mental dilemma in your head. Ideally, I think Leos, you should deliberate with family elders. You should discuss issues with senior members, whether at work or on the home front, and find solutions. Mentally, you'll be quite alert and alive. I think there could also be misunderstandings because this is the Swords energy. Perhaps you should also be careful because there are going to be those people who take your good counsel but they fail to oblige you. I think you want them to be responsive to your needs. You should also be very careful when it comes to financial dealings. Maybe money could be the bone of contention here. I think you should also follow the ethics or you should follow the rules rather than give in to temptation. Even while working, I think you need to focus that much harder. Maybe your superior thinks that you are distracted. And your family members could be quite concerned. They expect you to pull up your socks. Maybe they believe that you should look for another job because your superior isn't happy with your productivity. Nevertheless, in these days, I think a mess situation will be resolved and you will get clarity. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th May, we have the Three of Wands here. Again, this is going to be a very dramatic period marked by sudden changes. Maybe you also feel that everything is going antagonistic to what you desire, so you have to be prepared for the same. Ideally, I think, Leos, you should not allow issues to snowball. Maybe some of you also want to set sail for greener pastures like this lady or this person. He has his back towards the world and he is looking into the distant future. I think you should also collaborate with others and you should be willing to compromise even if there are job offers. I think you could be too set in your ways. You desire something which you have in mind. Maybe that is why your friends and acquaintances may think that you're quite egoistical, that you should tone down your expectations a bit. Sometimes, Leos, you will also be asked to help family members. This could eat into your work hours, but you should be prepared for the same. Nevertheless, I think praise is also going to be on the cards. I think you're somebody who is able to control the proceedings at work. In case you're in the leadership position, I think these days things will look up. I think the management is going to pay attention to what you're trying to discuss. If there are issues with the rival, then the administrator could step in here. Between 21st to 31st May, we have the Queen of Cups here. I think this is the card which is asking you to focus on your emotions. You get worked up or you get tensed because of things which are going anti you at the workplace. Possibly, there could also be a female figure who is stirring up trouble in your life. Maybe this person is also going to question your authority at work, so you feel threatened within the workplace. I think Leos, you may also be asked to not be too egoistical this month. Maybe you should collaborate with this person. I think maybe on account of these difficulties, you may also want to put in your papers, but then these are the challenges which can definitely harden you for your future ahead. Maybe you also feel that your superior is quite jealous of you and is putting these impediments in the path. With respect to your love life, Leos, I have this card calling in your soulmate. I think many of you may have dreams with respect to your romantic connection. Possibly many of you also could meet someone, or you could renew contact with someone with whom you have shared a past life connection. In all likelihood, there's also the possibility of a work-related romance here. I think you're going to be very witty, you're going to be quite flirtatious. Maybe this person and you have crossed paths on account of unfinished karma here or unfinished business, so to speak. Ideally, I think, Leos, you should go with the flow, but then you could also be someone who puts limitations on yourself. This person and you could even part ways this month because of the limitations that you impose on yourself. Maybe you believe that your family's members may disapprove of this connection, or your social backgrounds are quite dissimilar, so this could also prove to be a hindrance. But like I said, Leos, you should go with the flow. You should not put an end to this romance which is in the offing. This person is definitely a part of your past life. I think maybe that is why we also have this card, please stay. You want this person to be there, or this person also wants to be a part of your life, but then you could turn away. Like this lady here, she wants to stay, but then she cannot stay, or she understands the repercussions of this relationship. I think for some Leos, there's also the huge chance that somebody younger than you could also be fancying you. This person definitely has a huge corner in your life. Oftentimes, Leos, in May, you could also be gripped by nostalgia. Maybe there'll also be dreams. Some of you may also think of reconnecting with the person who has stolen your heart. Romancing Leos, I think there could be discussions with respect to work. I think you should bounce ideas off each other. You should be more flirtatious. This person also sees you're someone who has the gift of the gab. That is why conversations with this person could be very engaging. Maybe some of you also need to travel to be with this person. On the other hand, those of you who are already married, I think you should not allow outsiders to influence your partner. Maybe because of this, there could be disagreements within your home life. On the other hand, those of you who are already married, I think you should avoid disagreements. You should be more romantic and flirtatious. Maybe you're dealing with a person who is quite possessive, because we have this card, possessive here. This person wants you under his thumb. This person expects you to be at his beck and call, and this could make the relationship very oppressive. There are cobwebs here, and this could make this relationship very rusty as well. Incidentally, the last card in your reading is Beard, which talks about maturity. Perhaps, Leos, you're dealing with a senior figure. Earlier in this reading, it did come about that you will be deliberating with a senior figure. So maybe this person is going to be the wise owl in your life. This person is going to help you solve the problems that may arise. Or perhaps, Leos, this month is also going to make you wise beyond your years. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.